You gonna talk to me now? You better shut up. Shut up. Don't talk. Why do you talk to me like that? Hey! What? What? What are you talking for? We're going to the park. Do you want to go to the park? You better stop talking to me like that then. What? Oh. Hey! No. Cut. What? Oh, you're a bad girl. Oh. Watch that dog. Watch that dog. Yeah, there's no dog. You're a show off. You're a show off. So every time we go in the car, this is what we do. Not always. We're doing it heavy today. Yeah, you're doing it heavy today. All right, cut it out. We're just trying to go to. If you want to go to the park, you better be a good girl. All right. What? Oh. Cut it. Hey. Buckles. Stop. Lay down now. What's the matter? What? What? You want to go home? You want to go home?
For me, it's the Kern's great Live Smart ideas.
All right, now cut it out. You be a good girl now. Be a good girl now. All right, lay down. You be a good girl now.